Hey everyone, I'm Sanket Sahu and I'm super excited to open source reactnative.run. So what you see on the screen is a browser running a full-blown expo app with expo router in the browser. So it's not just running. Before running, it actually pulls all the dependencies and then bundles them, and then it's running inside an iframe in the browser. And it's not just bundling once, it also has hot module reload along with the assets that it spits out. It has the plus API routes as well, and it's running the API routes in the browser as well. And it has a full source map, so if you throw an error, it actually points to the line number where it's coming from. So it's coming from error.tsx from line number 18 where we have throw. And yeah, this is what powers rapidnative.com, which is now out in the open. So go ahead and try it out, and we are looking for feedback and how you use it. Probably fork it and run React Native /expo app in the browser. And yeah, please go ahead and give us a star. The architecture is simple, and you get 0 startup time, hot module reload, expo router, API routes, load any npm package, asset spitting, full source map, and whatnot. So yeah, that's reactnative.run. And yeah, go ahead and try out the playground and probably make some changes. I'll just make some changes. So you can open and say hello world. This is reactnative.run, and yeah, this just works. I love changing the color and how seamless this is. So you can actually open up the color box and make these changes, and it works really well. So yeah, that's reactnative.run. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much.